Welcome back to TNT Music School. Today, I want to continue from where we stopped. Today's class, we just want to give us some pattern to rehearse it, which will help us to, scale up in our music career. So today we'll be taking us on simple pattern, and the pattern is we'll be making use of A. This is our A, and this is our A. So what we're doing is just between A, B, C, D. So this is our A, this is our B, this is our C, and this is our D. So the same way, this is our A. And we know that to get our A on the three sharp notes on the black key, the first one is F, this is G, and this is our A. So this is A. The same way, this is our A, and we have A, B, C, D. So what we're playing is between A, B, C, D. And we also accompany with the bass line, which is the A. So we'll be picking the two bass line. This A lower octave and the higher octave, that is A. So the rhythm we'll be playing, which is the pattern, is just A, B, C, D, C, B, and A. So I think it's just what we're playing. So that's what we're playing. So to make it simpler, so now we've identified our A on the bass line, which is this. So the bass line will go in this progression, lower octave and higher octave. Then we then have our A to be here, A, B, C, D. So accompany with the C, now have something like this. Accompany with this. So which is your E? You accompany with your E. Remember we have A, B, C, D. So now you will be pressing your E together with each note. Remember we are playing A, B, C, D, C, B, A. But as we are pressing it, we'll be pressing the A along with it, something like this. I hope you're getting that. So that's what we're playing. So we'll accompany with the bass line. Something like this with the bass line. So we can then play the bass line together with it. So let's take it again. So that's just the rhythm. So we can just practice it gradually, take it slowly.